Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Internet Computer number 1. We did Polygon and Uniswap yesterday. We're going to continue with Litecoin, Neo Protocol, Aptos, Leo, STX, Filecoin, Ethereum Classic, and then we'll end it with Cosmos Hub at number 30. Let's get straight into it. ICP against BTC. Okay, so ICP is already above the skinny pink line, so we're going to assume that ICP is going to go on a super bull run towards the upside. The super all-time high for ICP is over here. And now we are only here. So this could be a 1,500% run for ICP. Again, this is just pure guessing. We don't see the chart pattern yet. All we know is that we are consolidating for ICP BTC. And even when the time comes, we're going to see ICP start heading higher. ICP against USDT. Here we are for ICP. Okay, ICP is also above the skinny pink line. On the USD pair, again, the very tippy top here will be 256. Right now, we're only at $18 here. So this could be a 10x coming on for ICP. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for ICP. Okay, we may not hit all the way here. Right? We might just stop short of breaking $100. We're at 18 here. So more upsides to be expected for ICP. I don't think we are done yet. I think there's more upside to come. So we're in a consolidation. There was a shooting star over here. Do you see this? Small little retrace. I think we're going to consolidate here a little bit. Again, we're asking the question, is this the low? Could we still hit a little bit lower? Just a little bit lower. Maybe a lower low here for ICP. Right? Maybe get a falling channel of sorts. Right? A falling channel would be nice though. Right? This is too immature, I would say. So you got to give it more time. But in the medium and long run, we're expecting more upside. We're probably going to head towards, we're going to take things one step at a time. We're going to head towards like 50 something. Okay, wait. We're probably going to clear all of these clusters of highs. So again, about $60. Right now we're only at $18. So more upside to be expected for ICP. Litecoin against BTC. Okay, so for Litecoin, it has started switching bullish on the USD pair. BTC, we're still in a downwards trend. No signs of life yet. And if and when things rise, it's just very sudden. Litecoin against USDT, you will see that we are already up. And we were saying that once we take out these highs, we are considering this target to be invalidated. And if you put on bullish lenses, you will be able to see that Litecoin, look at this, something like a squeeze. You see that, boys and girls? A, B, C, D, E. Pam. We're on the way out. So more upside to be expected for LTC. We are not technically above this high yet. So this is still valid as of now. But we're expecting it to be taken out eventually. So yeah, I can even see buying pressure coming in yesterday. Right? Look at this big, strong buying pressure coming in for Litecoin. So yeah, again, we're expecting more upside for Litecoin. Sure, we may hang around here a little bit, but I'm expecting us to continue higher for Litecoin. Targets, about sub 200 will be the target. So another 80%, 80-90%, I would assume. We're probably going to clear all of these highs though. So yeah, probably around $200, about 100% roughly for Litecoin. More upside to be expected. Near against BTC. Here we are for Neo Protocol. Near is also above the skinny pink line against Bitcoin. So more upside to be expected. Nearest high is, again, over here. How much higher? Another 164, 65%. But again, I'm assuming we're going to clear the highs over here. So this will be another potential 200% against BTC. Against USD, this will be even more. 200 will translate to... Okay. Now things are a little bit tricky. Let me tell you why it's tricky. Against BTC, we see potential. But against USD, I'm counting 5. 1, 2, 3. This is a wave 4 in the making. That's my assumption, right? And after that, we'll continue for wave 5. That's it. This is it for Near. Could Near form new all-time highs going into price discovery? Sure, of course. But as it stands... yeah, again, if I had to, pure guessing, if I had to guess right, we'll probably be heading towards $13 first, and then probably around 15. So here, and then 15. That's my take for Near. Still more upside though. So yeah, but again, if you were to assume that this is the top and this is the bottom, right? and you cut it into half. We're more than halfway. This is halfway. We are halfway of the upper half, right? So yeah, we're very close to the end. Oh no, the end may not be too far away from near, right? We may just hang around, slowly crawl our way up. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and then we start rolling back down. Right. Again, we're not entirely sure, so we have to take things one step at a time. For near Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Okay, Aptos seems to be curving back up. Usually when a bearish trend ends, we go sideways for a while. We are going sideways. And we could be reversing back up. We are not totally above the skinny pink line yet. We're still marking around it, so there's a chance that we could still hit lower. Aptos against USD. We are above the skinny pink line, and we are also close to the highs here. So, what's the story, Morning Glory? What's the story? Leo. Leo against BTC. Here we are for Leo. Leo BTC is still down, but we love the big BTC accumulation that's happening, right? A, B, C, D, E, or an ascending triangle as well. You can count this as a value 1, value 2, value 3 breakout. Potentially looking real bullish, Leo BTC. We kind of like what we see. Leo against USD is also already on a bullish trend. We are already up above the skinny pink line. So more upside to be expected for Leo as well. Stacks. Okay, so Stacks BTC is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Right. A, B, C, D. We're getting an E. Once we're done with an E, bam! There will be a breakout for Stacks. So lock and loaded for Stacks. Stacks against USDT. Here we are for Stacks. Okay, Stacks has already gone into price discovery. This is the highs. Usually once you break the highs, you consolidate a little bit, right? For example, over here, this was the high, right? Or even this high as well. Once we broke it, there was a small little consolidation before continuing. Pop, we broke it again. Small little consolidation. Again, we broke it. Small little consolidation, but this was the reversal. Again, we broke it. So again, is this a small little consolidation? Could we be consolidating a little bit more for Stacks? Not too sure. Filecoin. Oh, Filecoin is one of the coins which I would consider as late bloomers. Remember, bearish trend, go sideways before going back up. Bearish trend, go sideways before going back up. Ho ho. Imagine if it goes all the way back up here. It's almost 2,000%, 1,800% for FIL BTC. FIL against USD. If you look at Filecoin against USD, we still have a long way to go towards the upside, right? We could clear these highs, go up to this noisy area over here. Yeah, roughly the same. 1,008% on BTC, 1,006% on USD. So again, we're still expecting the potential of a 1,000% move for Filecoin. Of course, the best would be to get in when Arthur Hayes has been shilling Filecoin, right, all the way in 2023, right, in all of his guest podcasts, where he joined other people's podcasts. He keeps saying Filecoin, and I also have been saying that Filecoin is Arthur Hayes coin. So you don't fade Arthur Hayes. But anyway, this is a very nice ascending, right? Value 1, value 2, value 3. We're out. There was a retest. And now there's another retest. Oh, this is a gift though. I think anything under 10 is good. $9 would be good. $9, $9.50, $8.60. I think this is good. I think Filecoin is good. It's gearing for a big move. And you can see that we're in some sort of not exactly a consolidation before we hit higher, right? We are expecting it to hit towards $28. That's the hard target that we have. We're probably going to clear these highs over here, heading into potentially $40. Right now we're only at $8.70. So again, more upside is to be expected for Filecoin. And Filecoin is a solid project. And Filecoin is something that you can put serious volume into it. Right, put a serious size. This is a 4B. It's a 4B coin. There you go. That's Filecoin. Solid project. Don't fade Arthur Hayes. Ethereum Classic. Yeah, you just launched Athena. Anyway, Ethereum Classic against BTC. Not launch, but you know. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Again, we see the potential, but we're not sure. Right. You can see a very nice potential squeeze coming on. A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. Yes. We're not too sure. We are not too sure. Against USD, yeah, we have a target over here. $86. So more upside to be expected for Ethereum Classic. I suspect all the Dino coins are starting to make moves like Litecoin, Ethereum Classic. You can call ICP Dino if you want to. You can also call where's this? Filecoin Dino if you want to, but I think they're all geared up for a move towards the upside. These are all large caps. Imagine large caps doing 400%, 500%, right? Ethereum Classic will be, we're expecting 181%. So that's $85, $86, sorry. We're probably going to overshoot that though, going into triple digit territory. So yeah, again, more upside to be expected. We've already taken out the highs over here. So like I was explaining earlier, usually when you take out the highs, you hang around a little bit before heading higher. So we're hanging around a little bit. Once we're done hanging around, we're expecting continuation for Ethereum Classic. Cosmos Hop! Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Okay, so Atom has also a very, very nice accumulation against BTC. A, B, C, D, E. Bam! We blast off for Atom against BTC. Yes, no? Again, we don't see any signs of life yet. The moment you take out these lows, you'll be like, wah, wah, wah. Then that's gone. But we're expecting this to hold. And we would love to see a reversal come on for Atom. This will be beautiful. Will we get it? We're not sure. Again, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we will respect the skinny pink line and remain with a bearish bias for Atom BTC. Against USD, Atom is still mucking around. We're not sure if this is it. Again, you can also cut this across, call this an inverse head and shoulders. You can also call this an ascending. Right. All we know is we see valleys and we're expecting continuation towards the upside for Atom. But it's fairly weak though. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. All we know is that there is kind of a resistance line over here. We're expecting to break eventually. Once we break, we're expecting the highs to be taken out. We're probably gonna go towards like $37, 30 over dollars. Right now we're at 11. And again, we always ask the question. I don't think this is the low though. There's another low over here. So I suspect we might drop a little bit. And after that, we start reversing. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, remain with a bullish bias for Atom. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have yet, do check out yesterday's top 20. See you in the next one. Ta-da!